Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on checking the most amount of kills you have ever gotten in a Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 match. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you are in the Call of Duty main menus, press the Options button on PS5, or the Menu button if you have an Xbox controller. This will bring up the Quick menu. From there, select Stats from the bottom left. Select Multiplayer Stats. Your highest kill in a game will be displayed at the bottom left of your stats. There are also a lot of other stats for you to check out here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Call of Duty tips and tricks.